boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange?
Come with us and you will see. This our town of Halloween. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. Pumpkins scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween. Everybody make a scene. Trick or treat.
Tell the neighbors on the diaphragm. It's our town. Everybody scream. This town of Halloween.
I am the one hiding under your bed. Teeth ground sharp and eyes glowing red.
I am the one hiding under your stairs. Fingers like snakes and spiders in my hair. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. 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 Halloween.
In this town we call home. Everyone hail to the pumpkin song.
In this town, don't we love it now? Everybody's waiting for the next surprise.
Round that corner man hiding in the trash can.
Attention, ghouls and goblins. In just a few moments, the night sky will awaken with frightful delight. Prepare yourselves for the Haunted Skies, a Halloween firework spectacular. A spine-tingling celebration filled with creepy colors, eerie effects, and explosive surprises. Please make your way to a safe viewing area and remain there throughout the performance. Keep the paths clear of broomsticks, pumpkin buckets, and wandering spirits. The witching hour is almost upon us. So hold on tight and get ready for the sky to glow with ghostly magic. The Halloween fireworks show will begin in a couple of minutes.
Halloween, this is Halloween. Halloween, 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 Halloween.
Halloween, Halloween. Tender lumpions everywhere. Life's no fun without a good scare.
That's our job.
But we're not mean in our town of Halloween.
In this town, don't we love it now? Everyone's waiting for the next surprise. Study Tin Jack might catch you in the back and
Scream like a banshee, make you jump out of your skin.
this is Halloween. Everybody scream.
Won't you please make way for a very special guy?
Old Man Jack is king of the pumpkin patch. Everyone hail to the pumpkin king. Now this is Halloween. This is Halloween. Halloween, 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 Halloween.
In this town we call home. Everyone hail to the pumpkin song.
Halloween, 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 Halloween,
When the cryptos creak and the tombstones quake,
Folks come out for swinging way.
happy haunts materialize.
And begin to vocalize. Grim grinning ghosts come out to socialize.
Now don't close your eyes and don't try to hide, or a silly spook may sit by your side, shrouded in a daft disguise. They pretend to terrorize.
Grim grinning ghosts come out to socialize.
As the moon climbs high o'er dead oak trees,
Survive for the midnight spree.
creepy creeps with eerie eyes.
And harmonize. Grim grinning ghosts come out to socialize.
When you hear the knell of a requiem bell,
Here goes things in the spirits well.
restless bones etherealize.
Rise and spooks on every side.
Grim grinning ghosts come out to socialize.
Ghosts come out. Grim grinning ghosts come out.
To socialize.
Spooky, scary, creepy, crawling underneath the trees. Moon is shining, bats are flying. It is Halloween.
castles. It is Halloween. Rooms are flying, ghosts are crying. It is Halloween. Halloween is a scary treat. Halloween is for young and sweet. Halloween is for ghosts and ghouls haunting you. It's just not cool.
Jump up to the music, keep the party going, get the beat in the air, keep the party jumping, freaky, 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 freaky. It's a freaky, freaky and enchanted weekend. We live it up and party hard. The night is young, the world is ours, so it's no surprise that we keep it live. I'm feeling out of body, I'm not myself. Wanna stop my hands, but they clap, clap, clap. My feet won't stop, they moving to the rhythm. My body won't stop rocking to the music. Party, party, I'm gonna run you over, knock you down, bulldozer if you came to party. Move your body, everybody, skyrocket. Jump up to the music, keep the party going, get them feet in the air, keep the party jumping. Freaky, freaky, we like to party, party, freaky, keep the party jumping. Freaky, freaky, hey, we like to party, party, freaky, freaky, freaky. We ain't worried about tomorrow, 'cause the fun don't stop. No, we don't get tired. We kick the energy up. We party rockers, we rock the party, make everybody move your body, grab somebody, everybody, we're taking over. Skyrocket. Jump up to the music, keep the party going, get them feet in the air, keep the party jumping. Freaky, freaky, we like to party, party, freaky, keep the party jumping. Freaky, freaky, hey, we like to party, party, freaky, freaky, freaky. Freaky, freaky, we like to party, freaky, freaky, keep the party jumping. Freaky, freaky, hey, we like to party, party, freaky, keep the party jumping. Freaky, freaky, we like to party, party, freaky, freaky, freaky.
Feel the heat, the temperature is rising, the fates are turning. Beat by beat, it's gonna energizing. Soon you'll be burning. Go ahead and wish. Wishes won't go very far. There's a shooting star, shooting star. Into the fire. Feel the burn.
Boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange?
Come with us and you will see this our town of Halloween. This is Halloween, this is Halloween. Pumpkins scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween, everybody make a scene, trick or treat.
Tell the neighbors gonna die of fright.
It's our town, everybody scream. In this town of Halloween.
I am the one hiding under your bed, teeth ground sharp and eyes glowing red.
I am the one hiding under your stairs, fingers like snakes and spiders in my hair. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween.
In this town we call home, everyone hail to the pumpkin song.
In this town, don't we love it now? Everybody's waiting for the next surprise.
Down that corner, I'm hiding in the trash can. Something's waiting
alone in the dead of night.
Everybody scream! Everybody scream!
I am the clown with the tearaway face.
Here in a flash and gone than trace! I am the shadow on the moon at night, filling your dreams to the brim with fright.
This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween.
Tender rumblings everywhere. Life's no fun without a good scare.
That's our job.
But we're not mean
In our town of Halloween.
In this town, don't we love it now? Everyone's waiting for the next surprise.
Skeleton Jack might catch you in the back and
Scream like a banshee, make you jump out of your skin.
this is Halloween, everybody scream.
Please make way for a very special guy.
One man Jack is king of the pumpkin patch. Everyone hail to the pumpkin king. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween.
In this town we call home. Everyone hail to the pumpkin song.
I was working in the lab late one night when my eyes beheld an eerie sight. For my monster from his slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise, he did the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. He did the monster mash. From my laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast. The ghouls all came from their humble abodes to get a jolt from my electrodes. They did the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. They did the monster mash. The zombies were having fun. The party had just begun. The guests included Wolfman, Dracula, and his son. The scene was rocking, all were digging the sounds. Igor on chains, backed by his baying hounds. The coffin bangers were about to arrive with their vocal group, the Crypt Kicker Five. They played the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. They played the monster mash. Out from his coffin, Drac's voice did ring. Seems he was troubled by just one thing. Opened the lid and shook his fist and said, "Whatever happened to my Transylvania twist?" It's now the monster mash. And it's a graveyard smash. It's caught on in a flash. It's now the monster mash. Now everything's cool. Drac's a part of the band, and my monster mash is the hit of the land. For you, the living, this mash was meant to. When you get to my door, tell them Boris sent you. Then you can monster mash and do my graveyard smash. You'll catch on in a flash. Then you can monster mash. Mash! Ooh! Easy, Igor, you impetuous young boy. Mash good!
Spirits of the Night, our Haunted Sky Spectacular has reached its chilling finale. We hope you enjoyed the frightful sights and sounds above. As the last echoes fade, please remember to move safely and slowly toward the exits. Keep little ghouls and goblins close by your side, and watch your step in the dark. The shadows like to play tricks on Halloween night. On behalf of all the creatures who conjured tonight's magic, we thank you for joining us. May your night be filled with treats, not tricks, and may the spirit of Halloween stay with you until we meet again. Happy Halloween and good night.
Creatures crawl in search of blood to terrorize your neighborhood. And whosoever shall be found without the soul for getting down must stand and face the hounds of hell and rot inside a corpse's shell. from every tomb are closing in to seal your doom. And though you fight to stay alive, your body starts to shiver, for no mere mortal can resist the evil of the thriller. Ha 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 ha!